The journey of avocado oil begins in vast orchards, where perfectly ripened avocados are grown under ideal conditions.
Experienced female harvesters select only mature avocados for premium oil production. The freshly harvested fruit is transported quickly to maintain freshness and quality.
Each avocado is inspected before leaving the farm for factory processing.
Looks good. Perfect.
Temperature-controlled transportation protects the fruit during delivery. The avocados travel directly from orchard farms to the production facility.
At the factory, production begins immediately after the avocados arrive. Thousands of avocados move through the factory every hour. Strict inspection standards ensure only high-quality fruit enters production. The avocados are thoroughly washed to remove dirt and impurities.
Advanced cleaning systems prepare the fruit for processing.
Automated technology improves sorting speed and accuracy.
Manual inspection provides an additional layer of quality control.
Automated technology improves sorting speed and accuracy. Specialized machines efficiently separate the seeds from the pulp. The nutrient-rich avocado pulp becomes the foundation of oil production. The pulp is processed into a smooth mixture for oil extraction. Temperature-controlled systems help preserve natural nutrients. Cold pressing gently extracts pure avocado oil from the fruit. Modern separation technology isolates pure oil from water and solids.
Centrifuges improve oil purity and consistency. See how the consistency is changing? Yes, the separation is much cleaner now.
The purified oil is stored in carefully controlled conditions. Continuous monitoring helps maintain consistent product quality. Laboratory analysis confirms purity and food safety standards. Color and clarity reveal the quality of the finished oil. Clean bottles are prepared for automated filling. Clean bottles are prepared for automated filling. Automated filling systems ensure speed, precision, and hygiene. Each bottle is securely sealed to maintain freshness. Labels provide product details and branding information.
Automated labeling systems improve production efficiency.
Every bottle is inspected before packaging and shipment.
Finished products are carefully packed for transport.
Robotics increase speed and accuracy inside the packaging department. Remarkable, look at the precision. The finished products are stored before global shipment. Export shipments are prepared for international delivery.
The avocado oil begins its journey to stores around the world.
Consumers receive a product crafted through precision and quality control.
From orchard to bottle, avocado oil production combines agriculture, technology, and skilled craftsmanship.